Hello, I'm Matthew Gleich. I'm doing my first screencast for EED 412. It's a mathematics class, and this is for Mrs. De La Cruz and anybody that is in the teacher's prep program, as well as any interested parties that would like to learn a few things about math. I found a student to work with. He has made a few errors on some of the homework that he has done, and I am hopefully going to help him remedy these problems by suggesting an activity for him to do. If you look at problem number two, there's a set of three problems. 2 times 6, 11 minus 3, 3 times 15. 2 times 6 is 12. This is correct. 11 minus 3 is 18. This is not correct. And 3 times 5 is 15. What I think the student was thinking is this was going to carry off. When he did 11 minus 3, he put down 18, and seeing how the other two problems, which are multiplication problems, involve things greater than 10, he answered correctly, and seeing that 11 minus 3, he for some reason thought it was 18, and I think it was due to the fact that the other two were greater than 10, and I think that's where he made his error. Also, he had a number line problem, and in the number line, if you look really close, the number line shows, and it gives three choices for different expressions. It starts off on the number 12 and moves 3 hops back. So we have 12, 11, 10, 9. And for some reason, when he ended up on 9, he thought the expression was 12 minus 9 equals 3, which that is correct, but for this number line, it should have been 12 minus 3 equals 9. So that is a part whole unknown problem for subtraction. It should have been 12 minus what number equals 9. So he made an error there. And okay, so I picked out an activity for him to do. In this activity, this phone's a little blurry, so I will read it. It says, it's called up and down the number line. Create a large number line on the floor of your classroom, or display one in the front of the room. Use a stuffed animal for hopping, or ask the student to walk the line on the floor. Talk about the movement required for each variety of problem situations. And this emphasizes the spaces on the number line, which is wonderful. Which is a wonderful image for thinking about the meaning of addition and subtraction. So, what I've done is I have turned my floor into a makeshift number line, and fortunately, my floor is made of tiles, which is kind of convenient. So, what I've done is I have used my floor as a number line. I've numbered it 0 through 12, and if you look above the 0, I have made a sign which says add move right, which has an arrow pointing right. So clearly, as we move to the right, we see that numbers are increasing. 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, there's the stuffed animal. 10, 11, 12, and then we get to the end of my number line, and above the 12 I have put subtract, move to the left. So I will start with the problem he had made was on the number line. It started off at the number 12, and he ends up on 9. So, and for some reason, it was 12 minus 9 was his answer, equals 3, which is correct. But It should have been part whole subtraction. It should have been 12 minus what number makes 3. So we'll start off on 12. Okay, the bear's on 12, and if we move to the left, 1, 2, 3, we end up at 9. So 12 minus 3 equals 9. It should have been 12 minus what number equals 9. So it should have been 12 minus 3 equals 9. So looking back at the other error, which was 11 minus 3 equals 18. This is not correct. I think he just thought it was greater than 10 because the other two problems were greater than 10. But if we again use the number line, he should be able to come out with a better answer than 18, because my number line does not go above 12, and it certainly does not go to 18. So let's go back to our number line, and that was 11 minus 3. So let's grab our bear and start the bear at 11. Okay, so we are at 11. 11 minus 3, 1, 2, 3. We end up on 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. So what I was thinking is having the student go ahead and use a number line and set him up with a few problems and have him work this manipulative, and so that way he has a better grasp at understanding addition and subtraction. But this was my screencast. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.